Foxit AI Assistant lets me chat directly with PDFs, so I can get answers in seconds without digging through pages. I'm managing a multi-phase creative project with teams working on web, social, and video. I've got timelines, reports, notes, and a budget to keep track of. I'll upload all of them to Foxit AI Assistant so I can pull insights from across the project in one place. I can upload up to 10 documents. Now I'll ask the AI to summarize overall progress. I'll dig in a little deeper so I've got a better understanding of what's going on. I want a quick overview of what's done and what's still open. I'll ask which milestones are delayed and why. To wrap the report, I'll get a breakdown of completed deliverables by team. I'll use Foxit AI Assistant's smart commands to create our progress report. I'll type in the command, "Create a blank PDF." I'll copy one of our responses. Next, type in "Add text" and paste in the copied text for the progress report. I can do additional edits if needed by typing "Edit text," or use options like adding a header or footer to make your document look more professional. With a few prompts, I've pulled together a full progress report and have a complete understanding of the project. Let's add bookmarks for readability. On the AI Assistant tab, I can click AI Bookmark. Foxit scans the document and generates a clean set of hierarchical bookmarks based on section structure. I use Foxit AI Assistant every day to save tons of time while reviewing vendor proposals for supplier approval, doing risk checks, breaking down financial reports, or asking legal questions about a contract. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.